what possessed me to build a boat, what possesses anybody. But in my case, it was a friend of ours named Dr. John, who we're good friends with, and he built two boats. He actually built the skiff there on the left, and he also built this 19-foot Chris Craft 1940s replica of a barrel back. Just a beautiful boat. But he built both of these, able to customize them the way he wanted and do the way he, build it out the way he wanted to. And that got me really excited because he made the effort, built in his garage, had to jump through a lot of hoops. And I'll add his URL to his boat down below. But his work on here is really what got me excited and got me aiming at build my own. So that's the story.
Right. Yeah. I'll wait for it to start sinking first. Do you want a jacket?
No, it should be available.
Yeah.